Hello everyone, and welcome to this quick little tutorial on how to do a triple crochet stitch. For this tutorial we will be using Darn Good Yarn's chiffon ombre ribbon. It's actually a very simple stitch. I remember when I first started crocheting I was afraid to get away from anything that wasn't a single crochet or chain stitch. So I'm going to walk you through the steps to successfully create your triple crochet, and if you have any questions please feel free to ask me at the end of this video. I would be happy to answer them for you. So let's get started. For the triple crochet, you're going to begin by yarning over your hook twice and inserting the hook into where you would like for your stitch to be, bringing that through, yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through 2 more, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 to create your triple crochet. You'll continue this as far as you would like for your certain pattern that you are working on. I want to take note that in this pattern I am doing 2 chain stitches between each triple crochet, and that is not necessary. You can do them one after the other, it's just the pattern that I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to give you a little bit different perspective of the same stitch. We're still working our triple crochet with the Darn Good Yarn chiffon ombre ribbon. I know that sometimes some people see it from a different angle and it makes a little more sense, so I wanted to make sure I give that to you. We're working our 2 chains here that I used for this specific pattern, and then we are going to do the triple crochet. So we yarn over twice, put it through the loop where we would like for our stitch to be. We're going to yarn over and pull through that loop, yarn over and pull through first 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops on our hook, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops on our hook, giving us our triple crochet stitch. This is just from a different angle. It's the exact same stitch we were doing earlier, just to give you another view of what's going on. Now I'll continue working these triple crochets across the end of my row and throughout the pattern as it calls for, but if you have any questions on how to do the stitch, please feel free to reach out to me and I'd be happy to help you with them. The pattern I was working on throughout this video was the chiffon shawl, and it was made using a chiffon ombre pack from Darn Good Yarn, which is really cool ribbon to work with in the form of yarn, and it just makes your project that much different. So here's a few pictures of the finished thing, and I look forward to showing you my next video.